Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ROG Phone 8 Pro and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. Before we will start, a quick disclaimer: I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box, because there you can find all of the codes I'll present you today and many more tutorials regarding this device. So if you feel that I did not explain everything properly, then simply check our website. Alright, so let's open the dialer and let's start with the shortest codes. The first one is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both the main numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another code, *#07#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we can open the regulatory labels. So we've got some technical info. We can check the head and the body of our device also. Let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *##225#*##*#. And there we've got the calendar info. So here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code. It is *##426###. And there we've got the diagnostic. So here we can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details, as you can see. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just make sure that it is marked and tap on the status again. And as you can see here, we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you another code, the last code for today's video. It is *##4636###. And there we've got the testing mode. So here we've got the phone information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. So we can check really a lot of information. For example, the roaming, the override network type, a voice network service, etc. Of course, you will have this information if you've got your SIM inserted. We can run ping tests here and, for example, enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Usage statistics. So basically, usually at least, we have the list of apps which are installed on the device, and the Wi-Fi information. We can check the API configuration and the status. So just for reference, just refresh the stats here, and you can see that we've got the info just like the supplicant state, hidden SSID, or network ID. We can run ping tests here also. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.